When it comes to bringing fresh air into your home without drafts, noise, or energy loss, the ventsus PS series delivers simple, reliable, and efficient natural ventilation. The PS series is a through-the-wall passive vent designed to continuously supply fresh, filtered outdoor air into residential or commercial spaces. Perfect for apartments, cottages, offices, and any space without centralized ventilation, the PS series fills the room with clean outdoor air without needing to open a window. Outside air is drawn through the external grill, passed through a rigid telescopic duct, filtered through a built-in MERV 5 filter, and delivered gently into the room. The internal grill is made of a high-quality ABS plastic designed for durability and a modern low-profile look. An adjustable airflow regulator lets you fine-tune the airflow to the exact level you want, whether for continuous or intermittent ventilation. With its integrated MERV 5 filter, the PS series cleans incoming air by capturing dust and particles, helping maintain healthier indoor air quality around the clock. ventsus offers three models, the PS100, PS101, and PS102, each featuring a unique external grille. From bedrooms and living spaces to small offices and cabins, the PS series is a simple, cost-effective way to improve indoor air quality without mechanical ventilation or energy waste. For more information on the PS series, give us a call at 888-640-0925 or visit our website at www.vents-us.com.